Hi, I'm Arpit Narayan Saxena and I'm a Delhi-based street photographer, and I'm also a member of Unstage Collective and I Street Eye Collective based out of Delhi. What I admire the most about street photography is like the shadow play, the unpredictable moments on the street, the candidness which inspires me to shoot more and more, and I wanted to know more about street, more about people. So the candidness is like more important to me in street photography. For me, the source of inspiration in street photography is like Sir Raghu Rai and Sir Raghubir Singh's work, because I've seen a lot of books during my college time and I followed him like completely when I started street photography. How beautifully they have captured the frames and showed the culture of like India, and I've Varanasi, Delhi during the Jama, because Jama Masjid at that time was something different, completely different. So I enjoyed seeing their work, and I am also shooting Jama Masjid from a very long time, and I can connect with their frames. So I really admire their work. Pandemic has taught me so many things. Like before, life was something different. I was shooting on a daily basis, and after this during this pandemic, I didn't go out to shoot, and we couldn't go out and do things like observe things. So sitting at home, it was quite frustrating. So I thought of going through my work and studied my work and studied works of different photographers. So this process has improved my work a lot. I would say Jama Masjid and Old Delhi, because initially when I started doing photography, I started from this place only. When I was in college, I daily used to come to this place and observe the activities of the people who are around. So I still feel there are many things which are untouched. Usually people says you go to Delhi, to Old Delhi and Jama Masjid, why don't you visit some other places? ऐसा नहीं है कि I don't visit those other places, but still I feel there are so many stories that are left and untouched. So I want to do those stories and spend more time here in Jama Masjid. Biggest change in me, like I started observing more. I become a keen observer, and I become more punctual, because if we get late, we might not get what we want. So before that, I was like a little bit a lethargic one, like okay, we'll do it. I used to linger on things, but while I started, like during this time, I become more punctual. So the punctuality is very much important in street photography, and I've started observing more because of the various emotions on the street which I daily encounter. If I look back at my mature phase, I would like to tell you I'm a fine art student and I've done my graduation from College of Arts. So during my third year, when I was in third year, my interest in photography grows, and उसके बाद से I started shooting from my cell phone, because before that I was like completely into designing and all that stuff. So मैंने photography start करी, मैंने phone से start करा. With the help of my seniors, I started shooting on the streets, capturing emotions, portraits. So amateur phase में मैंने portraits बहुत click किए and थोड़ी कोशिश करी layers and street को capture करने की, और धीरे धीरे उसमें मेरा evolve हुआ. Like I started shooting more and more on the streets and improving, getting better day by day. For me, in street photography, the real struggle is like waiting for a perfect frame, because in a certain frame you have to manage each and every element in a very perfect way. So waiting for that particular moment, and that only comes by practice. So most of the time you manage to get some good things, most of the time you don't get. So by practice only it comes, but waiting for that particular moment, sometimes you imagine something in your mind, like you want some, whether you could say a bird or some other element which you want, or something in the foreground. So you have to wait for that moment, and waiting for that moment and getting that particular element helps you to make a good picture. So for me, the real struggle is like waiting, like patience. Street photography has taught me so many things in my life because I have seen so many emotions during my early days of shooting, and being a sensitive person, street photography keeps me alive from within. And because I found so many emotions, fights, relationships of the people. I documented so many things, and while shooting those, that affected me a lot, and it helped me in connecting with people. I'm more concerned about them because in our daily life we are busy making our future. We are busy making our life, for our perfect future. But we don't. I think हम लोग को नहीं बोलना चाहिए कि there are few people who are connected to you and they want a little attention in your life. So street photography helped me a lot in getting more concerned about those people who are close to my heart. If I would say about my favorite technique shooting on streets, like I never make anybody uncomfortable on the street, because what happens, they thought you are someone who will put them in danger. So I always make them feel comfortable. If they talk to me, who are you and where are you from, I always say I'm a college student and I work for college and this is my college assignment. It really helps a lot, and they cooperate also if I am documenting something. Secondly, if I get someone who's annoying me, so I put my headphones and I just shoot and move on. So these two things are my favorite things जो मुझे बहुत हेल्प करती है स्ट्रीट शूट करने में. If I talk about my favorite pictures, so there are two of my favorite pictures. First one, which I shot at the backyards of the Jama Masjid, where there was a magician performing his magic tricks on his son. And second one is Khari Bauli, where that boy was flying a kite and I found a sink of pigeons in that frame. So in first one, I like the shadow play, that particular decisive moment with the knife on his son's neck, and in the second one, because of the sink of the pigeons, that made my picture a perfect one.